Living abroad is exciting. Meeting new people is an adventure. Seeing new places is interesting. However, new situations can also be challenging. In my intercultural training, we talk about these experiences, we reflect on them, and we also talk about the theory behind it. We explore what is culture, what are intercultural settings, and what is going on with culture shock. And once we understand these concepts and at the same time reflect what's going on with me in that moment, what's going on around me, then we will be able to enjoy the experiences we have.
I knew that I was coming to Germany. I kind of just wanted to learn how different their lifestyle is and what they do better than us at home.
What the big cultural differences are.
Mm-hmm. I came here to learn German language and the culture with that.
I want to learn more about my own stereotypes and how to become more aware of them.
And this will make you able to deal with cultural differences. How do you think the American culture is similar to the German culture?
Yes, I agree.
And so what about food and manners? Because you can show it to others.
Oh, you took a shower? Okay, you took a shower.
What were your first